Hey there, fellow VTuber! So you've got your model set up and are raring to go, but what are the next steps before going live? Today's tutorial is all about setting up VTube Studio in OBS. Once you've downloaded OBS and gone through the initial setup prompts, you'll need to create a scene that you want to capture on your stream or recording. To do this, click the plus button here at the bottom under the Scenes tab, and name the scene whatever you like. You'll want to repeat this step for any stream overlay screens you may have, such as stream starting, BRB, and stream ending screens. In the next tab to the right, you'll see the sources box. Click the plus sign here at the bottom and select Game Capture. You'll need to name this source according to the program you're using. In this case, it'll be VTube Studio, or you can shorten it to VTS. Naming your sources helps keep things organized and easy to find. Be sure to also include your audio input and output devices in this scene, or people won't be able to hear you or any of your gameplay. In the next window, you'll want to select Capture Specific Window from the drop-down menu, and in the window list, VTubeStudio.exe. You'll want to change the window match priority to Window Title Must Match in order to keep OBS from mixing up other programs or windows that may be similar. Next, tick Allow Transparency and untick Capture Cursor unless you'd like to be able to see your mouse cursor in VTube Studio for the purpose of videos like tutorials. You can then click the OK button to finalize these settings. Now you can see VTube Studio in your OBS preview, but let's say you want to resize it or move the window around on your screen. Simply click on the VTube Studio source and drag it around to move its position on the screen, and drag from any of the red corners to resize. Once you have your window in a position where you like it, make sure to click the lock button here next to the eye icon to lock it in place. Remember how we made sure to tick the Allow Transparency box? We'll need to go into VTube Studio and select the color picker background in order for this to work properly. As a personal preference, I set the color to black as other colors may leave a noticeable outline around your model in OBS. Make sure that the Transparent in Capture setting is ticked on, and presto, the only part of VTube Studio that's visible is your model. For a more comprehensive guide on setting up OBS, I've left a link down in the description to a video from a fellow YouTuber that's super easy and helpful. Thank you so much as always for watching. Please consider leaving a like, comment, and hitting that subscribe button if you enjoyed my content and found it useful. See you guys next time. Have a great day!